unboxing video for the Lenovo Flex 11 2018. It is running Windows 10 in S mode, and the reason why I got it is because I wanted to see if using an iPad Pro had enough computing power to do the work that I need to do. It does, but it does have some limitations when it comes to the low-tech stuff, so I'm gonna try with this Lenovo. Alrighty, the first thing I notice is the rather no-frills cardboard packaging, which is consistent with the theme of a budget 2-in-1. You'll see that it's labeled as a Lenovo Flex 11 2-in-1 and shipped to Walmart in February, where I picked it up in March for about $280 with tax. And let's crack her open. So now that the seal is open, the box here, that is some rather secure foam packaging. Pull her out, and maybe we just take it one piece. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is the foam. We have a little bit of, what is this? Information in Arabic. There we go. And here we have the charger, power source, and a little more documentation for this unit. Okay, I was able to review some of the documentation. This is just a notice about automatic updates for the pre-installed software. This is kind of a quick start guide, a little information about Windows 10 and S mode, and then this is the warranty information. Now let's take a look at the unit itself. Notice it's securely packaged in this foam. I like that. And a little bit of plastic bag. Don't let your children play with that. This is the bottom. I think they call it onyx black. This is the front. Very nice feel. It's a plastic body, but it feels solid. Okay, you'll notice as we open it up, it's a little bit of a paper barrier to make sure everything stays nice and clean. And you can see me in the reflection there. And let's see if we can power it up. Okay, out of the box, you notice that the power button is here next to USB-C, USB, and HDMI. On the other side is the power source, another USB. There's an SD card reader and a 3.5mm headphone jack. I tried to turn it on earlier, but it seems like I just need to give it some juice. So here we have it plugged in, and let's open her up. Automatically, you'll notice quite beautiful. See the bezeled opening, and right now they are asking for my region. So this is indeed United States.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. It's a cool default wallpaper they have here. Looks like a bunch of paint that got splattered. Very creative. Put it side by side. This is a 11-inch. They also call this an 11.6-inch, I believe. They're similar size. It's obviously a little bigger. The neat feature with the Lenovo Flex, of course, is this joint that goes 360. You can go all the way to pad form. It's a little clunky compared to, of course, an iPad, but of course it's also a fifth of the price. And we can go into laptop mode. or what they call a tent mode, where you can make a little tent showing like that. Okay, we're back. I had some dinner and I downloaded all the Microsoft 365 suite into Lenovo, but I just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison with my iPad. So let's go on the YouTube app on the iPad and then search up YouTube through the Microsoft Edge browser. And just for the sake of your performance comparison, I'll put them both in full screen. And let's see what happens.
This is the honey badger. Watch it run in slow motion. It's pretty badass. Look, it runs all over the place. Watch out, says that bird. Ew, it's got a snake. Oh, it's chasing a jackal. Oh my gosh. Oh, the honey badgers are just crazy. The honey badger's been
Okay, this is pretty entertaining. And hopefully you see that the iPad picture a little more true to color, a little washed out on the side of the Lenovo, but they're both plenty bright, and given that this is a 10-year-old video, they're both showing pretty well, so I give it a 2 thumbs up. Okay, to wrap up this video, I want to give a hearty recommendation for the Lenovo Flex 11. I think it is a little slow, but it's a solid package, nice hardware, and certainly worth the price. Hey Cortana, what's the weather like in Hawaii right now?
Right now, it's mostly clear and 72 in Honolulu, Hawaii. The forecast shows partly sunny skies with a high of 79 and a low of 65.
Sounds great. I'll see you guys later.